Here are the 10 real ways smart artists are making hundreds to thousands of dollars for themselves using simple social media cheat code. You probably don't know about it yet. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually do the same even if you are just starting out. Stick around to the end of this video because I'll be breaking down everything step by step with real strategy that actually works. If this is your first time of watching video on this channel, please subscribe, like and drop a comment to support the channel. Alright, with that being said, let's dive into the main video of the day. One, Instagram Reels. Smart independent artists are using Instagram memes with their songs playing in the background. This trick helps them go viral, boost Spotify streams and grow their fan base. 2. TikTok meme page. Creating and collaborating with meme page on TikTok lets you reach thousands, sometimes millions for free. Drop your song in a background of trending memes and watch your streams rise. 3. Selling online courses. Cut skill, package your knowledge, maybe how to write lyrics, mix vocals or grow on Spotify and sell it. Platform like Udemy can actually help you to get to the right audience that you want to sell your course to. 4. Becoming a music producer. Learn how to produce music and offer beat making or full production service. You can sell beats online or work directly with artists. This can help you generate you more money. 5. Making tutorial videos. You can make money through YouTube or TikTok by teaching people how to use FL Studio, write hooks or record better vocals. If you are teaching this kind of videos, this will give you a proper exposure and make you good at fans that really stick to pay you and also consume your videos. 6. YouTube automation. Starting a first-based YouTube channel that posts music-related content using voiceover and virtual monetization with ads, affiliate links or paid promos. This kind of channel will actually generate you money and make you stay consistent. 7. Building a playlist network. Building your own playlist brand on Spotify or Apple Music used to promote your own music or charge others artists for placement. This is one of the most important things all independent artists should do because it's going to help you to have more streams on your songs and also bring more people to pay you and also get their songs to your playlist. 8. Becoming a playlist creator. Reach out to playlist owners and offer to promote songs. Once you build trust, you can monetize access to your own playlist slot. You can also collect other people money and then you reach out to these same creators to submit their songs to them, and with this you are going to make extra money as an independent artist. 9. Live shows on TikTok live. Go live, perform your song and engage with your fans. Viewers can send you gifts and those gifts can turn into real money. Going live on TikTok is one of the most profitable way to earn money as an independent artist. Number 10. Affiliate programs. Promote products and services related to music. Things that you use like music distributors that has affiliate program in it or playlist campaign that has affiliate program in it. With this you can actually bring people to buy their product and at the same time you are making commission from the product that you are selling. So this is one of the most smartest way artists are earning thousands to hundreds of dollars, millions of dollars on their comfort zone doing their own music. As you can see, being a successful artist today is not just about talent, it's about being smart, creative and knowing how to leverage the tools around you. Pick 2 or 3 of the methods, stay consistent, you will start seeing results faster than you think. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment with your favorite music making money method from the list. See you in my next video.